Okay, are you ready for this project? This is awesome. So this project right here, this is our very first project of the year. It is a random digital collage of awesomeness, clearly. So I'm going to show you how to do all of the things that you need to know how to do to make something this great. So, oh, here's my cat. Hello. So let me get into the screen where I'm going to show you what to do. So I am logged in right now as a pretend 7th grade student, and here's my pretend art class. You are going to go to the classwork tab because this is where all of your projects are going to be. Hello, cat. And here is our first project, the digital collage. So there's two things under this. The first thing you're going to do is watch this video, which you're already watching right now. This is kind of like making my brain explode. The second thing you're going to do is click on this assignment, and I'm going to show you what this is all about. So, digital collage assignment. This gives you a quick preview, but you need to go hit view assignment to get all the information. So, here we go. So here are the instructions. After watching the video, this video, create your own random digital collage of awesomeness. Use the skills you learned from the video. I'm about to teach you these. You're going to give it a custom background. You're going to insert images. I'll show you how to search the web for this very specific file, and you'll see why that's important. I'll show you how to manipulate the images by resizing them, shrinking them bigger, or shrinking them or making them bigger. I'll show you how to flip them, and I'll show you how to like tilt them. And I'm going to show you how to copy and paste so you can get lots and lots of one thing if you want. I'll also show you how to rearrange things so they're overlapping in the order that you want them to be in. But I really want you to have fun with this. All right, this is great. So stop it, cat, go away. So first you're going to begin by clicking the Add or Create button to the right over here. So let's do that, Add or Create. Then select Slides. Boom, right here. Sometimes this takes a sec, but it makes a slideshow for you right here. Sometimes it just opens it up right away. And your name should already be up here. So double check that. If it didn't open it automatically, sometimes you need to like actually physically click on this right there. I just opened it a second time just to show you, but you won't need to. So to get started, you are going to, first of all, it automatically comes with these text boxes there. You probably want to get rid of them. So to do that, I'm going to go above them. I'm going to click. I'm holding down my cursor right now. See that plus sign? And I'm going to drag while I'm holding it down. Then I release. And then both of those text boxes are highlighted. I can now just hit delete on my keyboard and they go away. Poof. All right, so now let's start with the background. So the background, there's a background button right here. So I'm going to click background. You can certainly just give the background a custom color if you want. There's lots of solid colors. There's a lot of cool gradient colors if you want to. You can do a custom color gradient down there. That's pretty fun. But what's even better is if you give the cats are going crazy. Give your background a picture, an image. So I clicked on choose an image, but now I'm going to go look for one online. So I need to click Google image search right there. Now I can just start typing in whatever I want as a background. So maybe I want like a beach on the coast of Maine. So I'm not going to type that whole thing. I'm going to type Maine beach. Turn. There, cool options. Ooh, I like this one with the cliffs. So I'm going to click that. And then down here, I'm going to click insert. Sometimes this takes a sec. Be patient. Done. There's my background. Now I can put stuff in this scene. So I want to insert images. So first I'm going to go up to insert right here and choose image. So now, if I had any cool pictures on my computer that I wanted that were the right kind of file, I could upload them from my computer or some other place like that. But your best bet is going to be to search the web. So I'm clicking on that, and you get a Google search box right over here. You don't have to like open another tab and toggle back and forth. You can if you want to. Sometimes you get more options that way, but this is so much more convenient. So let's say I want, okay, well, clearly I like cats, so let's just do a cat theme. Why not? So I want some images of cats. So quick cat. Oh, look, they're so cute. I like, let's see. Oh, I like this little orange one. So let's see what happens. I'm going to click on this, and I'm holding it down. I'm just going to drag it over. All right, so the cat's there, but the whole background came with it. That's because this is a JPEG file. When you just do an image search, that's probably what you're going to get is a JPEG. You don't want that because it comes with the background. You want to get rid of the background. So I'm going to hit delete. Bye, kitty. I want a different kind of file. And the kind of file that I want is called PNG. And I want a transparent background. Sometimes it pops up. Sometimes you have to type in transparent. But that's what you want. PNG transparent for whatever you're searching for. Hit enter. Now, look at all these cats. These are great. I have so many to choose from. I have photos. I have some like graphic design. Oh, I love this one that's leaping. All right, so now watch what happens. I'm going to drag this over. And where are you, cat? Uh-oh. There it is. No background. Very cool. So now I'm going to show you things you can do. So let's say I want a whole flock of leaping cats. I can copy and paste this. So if you are on a Chromebook, probably the easiest thing to do is to come up here to edit. It's highlighted. Okay, so you see the blue box. If I click off of it, it's not highlighted. I have to click on it to highlight it. Come up to edit, go to copy, and now go back up to edit and choose paste. Double cat. Okay, if you are on a MacBook, I don't know if you noticed, but under copy, you see this right here? This is a keyboard shortcut for copy and paste. Hold down the command button, which is this little doohickey right here. Command C is copy. And then I'll go back up just so you can see it. Right here, Command V, which I'm just typing on my keyboard. Oops. Command V is paste. So now I'm just copying and pasting. Now I have tons and tons of cats that are leaping. Oh, wow. It's like a dance party up in here. All right, now they're all facing the same direction. What if I want to flip some so they're facing the other direction? I can do that. So let's flip this one. So you see these boxes here? When I hover over them, I get an arrow. Sometimes I get a diagonal arrow. Sometimes I get a sideways arrow or an up and down arrow. If I want to flip it sideways from side to side, I'm going to hold that arrow and I'm going to shrink it towards the other side and then keep going. Boom, I flipped them. See? So that's pretty fun. If I wanted to tilt them, do you see this little round button there? When I hover over it, my cursor turns to a plus sign. When it's a plus sign, I can click on it and then drag and tilt it to whatever angle I want. Now they're leaping up into the air at different angles. If I want them to get smaller or bigger, if I go to one of the corner boxes, when I hover over it, I get one of the black arrows. This one's at an angle. Now I can shrink the whole thing, but it keeps the same proportions and it just gets smaller. So maybe this one, ooh, it's leaping and it's going to be up in the air. All right, so you can then just keep adding cats. Ooh, this one's cute. I mean, you don't have to add cats if you don't want to. Let's make this one really big. There. We're going a little cat crazy today. It's one of those days. Okay, so now let's say I wanted to, oh, this one's good. Now, what if I want this gray one behind this orange one? Okay, I need to rearrange the overlapping. Okay, I need to change the order that they're overlapping. So with my gray one highlighted, I want this one to be behind. With it highlighted, I'm going to go up to Arrange. When I click on Arrange, I'm going to go to Order. This is sort of the overlapping order. That's what this is talking about. I want it to send to the back. Boom. Now it's behind. Whoops. All of my other ones. Ooh, cool. All right, so we talked about copying and pasting. We talked about flipping. We talked about tilting. We talked about overlapping. Like if I wanted this one to go behind my gray one, remember, go up to Arrange, Order, Send to Back. Okay, so keep going with this. You can spend a lot of time on this. It's super fun, but you can't just walk away and think your teacher's going to see your work. All right, that's not how this works. You have to go back to the assignment, click on that tab, and you see this button here? It says Turn In. That's how you're going to turn in your work. If you do not hit this button, it does not get turned in. Not fun. Turn in. It will double check. Turn in. Just do it. Okay? There you go. Now, if you decide you turned it in, but you decide, oh, wait, I want to add more cats, you can unsubmit it. You can only do this before the due date. You hit unsubmit, you get your work back. I could go back to it, keep working in with it more. All right, I'm not going to do that though right now. But if you work with it some more, you have to turn it back in. Make sure you turn it in. All right, I think that's it. Have a lot of fun. Good luck.